All right, it's the Marvel V10A. I'll walk around. I just want to get the serial number here for the video.
Yeah.
All right, I'll do the walk around. You tell me what.
Yeah, well, we're on the side. So, yeah, we got the area just down here, but the covers are on. You can see the bottom wheel pretty good. We just ran it. It's pretty good. Blade is on there. Brush is on there. It's all clean. Coming up through here. Guide, I haven't played with this much. It's all pretty well standard stuff.
Yep, looks like.
Yeah, it's not in bad shape. Pretty clean. This all came around okay. The whole thing fired up actually really well. We got this. We got the back end, the electric panel, if you want to show anything inside there. And we can work our way back around to the front and the controls while we're here. The S6, if we want to come back while we're running, that comes on with hydraulics. You'll see that fire up, go into a run condition. And docks are on the left-hand side here. And if you want to pan over to the pan on the right, the rest of it's all over there. We didn't bring it out for the demo. Pump system, chip ramp, extra blades, whatever else we have in there, that all goes with it, so. Okay. And we'll fire it up, do a couple of manual movements with it. Currently wired, I've got it temped in at 220 volts. That's what we're running at. In fact, if you want to just stay there, you'll watch the S6 fire up. I'm going to hit the hydraulics, and you'll see the I/O come out.
Okay.
Run, and then we'll come back around here. Here we go. Yep, that's happy. Blade shuts down. Feed in. Back on. Let's play with blade speed a little bit here. Let's speed it up. You can hear it, you can't see it. push hard on it, maybe I could get it. Yeah, I could get it to come up a little bit. See, if I really push on the ram. So yeah, see, you put a block of steel in there. So if I put it on 0 feed with out of stock switch on, go back that last time and just shut off like it did. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The Varidisc works, bearings sound good on the wheels, hydraulics are up. I didn't play with the far away deal here, but this works too. You can move the feet out wherever you want. The numbers are rolling off. So. And that just moves the carriage over here, different spots, and
For different stroke length.
different stroke, yeah. You can run this all over the place, back and forth on the shuttle reverse forward.
All right.
And that's it. So that's all we got here, Chief.